Vivo X90 series is expected to launch in December this year. The series will have three phones: Vivo X90, Vivo X90 Pro, and Vivo X90 Pro Plus. Notorious tipster Digital Chat Station have leaked almost all the key specifications of Vivo X90 Pro Plus. The phone will have Zeiss color science that Vivo uses in all its flagship devices. The phone is said to have a quad camera setup, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 v1-inch sensor, accompanied by 48-megapixel Sony IMX598 ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX578 portrait camera, and OmniVision OV64, a periscope camera. The phone will also have Vivo V2 ISP chip for better image processing. Please like and comment as it helps with YouTube's algorithm. For performance, the phone will have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Reports also claim Vivo X90 and Vivo X90 Pro will have MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset. Vivo X90 Pro Plus will come with a 6.78-inch AMOLED E6 display that will have a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1440 Hz high-frequency dimming. For security, it will have ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Rumors also claim Vivo X90 Pro Plus will have LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. Out of the box, the phone will come with Android 13 and Origin OS 3.0. The phone will have a 4700 mAh battery, and to power this robust cell, we have an 80 watts fast charger. Do let me know what you think about the phone in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and peace out.